In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple trading accounts in Exness. To get started, sign into your Exness dashboard through the Exness login page or open the Exness Trade app if you prefer using your mobile device. Both options will take you to the same general account management area, so you can follow this process on whichever platform is more convenient for you. Before you begin, make sure you're using the correct Exness profile, especially if you manage more than one portfolio or trading setup. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the My Accounts tab and click on it. This section is where all of your existing trading accounts are organized, and it's also where you can create additional ones. If you're planning to separate strategies, test different market approaches, or keep demo and live trading apart, this is the area you'll be using most often. From there, click the Open New Account button. This will launch the account creation process and show you the available account options. Take a moment here because the choices you make will shape how this specific trading account is set up and used. Next, choose whether you want to open a real account or a demo account, then select your preferred account model. A real account is for live trading with actual funds, while a demo account is better for practice, testing, or learning the platform without financial risk. The account model you choose should match your trading needs, so it's worth selecting carefully based on your experience level and goals. After that, select your trading platform, either MT4 or MT5, set your maximum leverage, and choose the account currency. This step is important because these settings affect how you trade and how the account functions. MT4 and MT5 have different features, so choose the one that fits your workflow. For leverage, make sure you pick a level that aligns with your risk management approach. And when selecting a currency, it's usually best to choose one that makes sense for your deposits, withdrawals, or reporting preferences. Finally, create a unique trading password for this specific account, then click Create Account. Make sure the password is strong and different from your main login credentials, since this helps keep the account secure. Once you confirm, the new trading account will be added to your profile, and you can repeat the same process anytime you want to create another one. That's it. You now know how to create multiple trading accounts in Exness quickly and correctly.